What you doing, baby girl? What you doing, Imogen? Yeah? Then what happened? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh. Klach. Yeah? Is that what that's called? Is that gleich? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, what are you doing, baby girl? Hanging out? Yeah? Yeah. Imogen, we do think you were German in your past life. You like the of the German language. You going poopy? Going poopy? Yeah, it's good to go poopy. We all have to go poopy. Yeah. You going for a ride on there? You push yourself around? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Like. Hey. Hey. Are you prostating? Gleich. Wappa. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. What is that? What's that? Woo! What is that? What would you call that, Imogen? What would you call that? This down here. Yeah, do you have a name for that? You got it. Oh, shaky. Okay.